Naghahanap ka ba ng spacious na single attached unit na very accessible sa lahat? So tara, samahan mo ako. Welcome to Premier Model. This is a very accessible from your family needs. The Belcourt is a long highway going to Nuvali and Tagaytay. A complete single attached unit with 4 bedroom, 3 toilet and bath, car park, and service area at the back. We have 2 near ready for occupancy. This unit sits on 100 square meter lot area and has 99 square meter floor area. Ang kagandahan sa unit na ito is meron siyang bedroom sa ground floor. Good for our elderly na kasama natin, or pwede nating i-convert into library or office suited for work from home. Another good thing is meron siyang toilet and bath inside the master's bedroom aside sa common toilet and bath on your second floor. And if you like this unit, just simply message me. Iwan ko po sa description box ang aking contacts para ma-visit po natin personally. This is Junian Bao, your registered real estate salesperson. Always remember, every Filipino family deserves a what we call home. Bye-bye!